everyone, if you can see, we are in Taligaon. This is Samrat residency where all the drain is coming through into their fields. And today I have with me Vinod Fernandez, who's a farmer, and he will tell us what problems he's been facing. Vinod, please आमकां सांग, इतली वर्सां तुवें त्रास घेतला हांगा सुवेजाक लागून. मातशें तुमचे प्रॉब्लम सांग आमकां.
म्हाका एका सांगून कमीत 15 वर्सां जालीं. जेन्ना ती बिल्डींग बांदलेली आसा ते पयसान तेंची सिवेज अशी येता. तिंगा एवरी टायम कंप्लेन करता, एवरी टायम. केन्ना म्हाजी ती आयकना. ती म्हणटा ती कंप्लेन कर, कितेंय कर, आमी कशें आयकोपाचें ना. एक पाट हाडली ती ड्रेन कितें ओपन केलें, इवनिंग म्हणल्यार परते सगळे घाण तेंची हितून येता. आनी आमकां कितें तुमी फंड्स पे करतले काय म्हणटा आमी कित्याक पे काय म्हणटा डायरेक्ट म्हणटा आमी कित्याक पे करून तुमकां. जाल्यार म्हणटा हिंका घाण येता, हें येता, ते कोण कितें करतलो काय म्हणटा आमकां.
तर तुमचे काय आयकोंक ना.
आमचे कोण कांयच आयकना.
आणि तू सदांच पंचायती कडेन कंप्लेन केला हिंगा.
एवरी इयर हांव तिंका कंप्लेन करता. एवरी इयर जेन्ना हांव हिंगासर ड्रेन हे आमची क्लीन करूंक येता, जेन्ना भाजी वेजिटेबल रोवपाक येता तेन्ना क्लीन घाणीन हांव क्लीन करता. घाण येता, वास मारता हांगा.
आणि इनेन काय करूंक ना अजून पासून.
कांयच ना. आमचे एक पाट बॉडी आमकां हें जाता, कितें जाता कांयच कळना.
रॅश बी येता तुमकां.
रॅश बी येता आनी कितें जाता कांयच कळना. पूण हिंगा कितलें सांग केन्ना आयकना ती. केन्नाच आयकना. ती म्हणटा आपणाक सांगना, आपल्या वयल्यान कोण आहा तो तेका सांगता, सेक्रेटरी म्हणटा. आमकां कशें करता सेक्रेटरी तेंचो कोण.
व्हेरी ट्रू, व्हेरी ट्रू.
आमकां काय खबर ना तेंचो सेक्रेटरी कोण. आतां आमी इतले वेजिटेबल काडटा, आमची पिड्यार जाता. कोण म्हणटा बाबा तेंचो वास येता, ते आमी कितें पळयता आमची एरिया पिड्यार जावन वयता.
This is Vinod and his family's full field, and if you can see that all this sewage is coming straight from here. Okay, you can see the sewage straight from here. It overfills when it starts raining. So right now he's just blocked because it is all coming into his field. आणि
खूब सांगला, खूब म्हणला, कशीच आयकना ती. लास्ट टायम तेणी कोणाक मारपाक लागून हाडले म्हाका. मारपाक लागून. आम्ही शेतकार, आम्ही फावो, आमकां फायनान्स ना. प्रायवेट जॉब. वी आर नॉट गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंट.
प्रायव्हेट.
वी प्रायवेट. आमकां हेजेर कितें मेवता तेच आमचो इनकम आसता मंथली.
दिस इज व्हेरी सॅड. आणि हे फुडचे मातशें सांग, हे सगळे गाण जाता न्हू हिंगा, ते उडयता हिंगा फुडल्यान.
आतां पळय हे ते आतां इतलें करता, एवरी टायम ते माड पाडटा, सगळे पाडटा.
हा,
माड पाडटा, नाल पाडटा, सगळे पाडटा. बरें आसा ते हडटा, चुट्टां काडटा, हांगा उडयता, शेताक उडयता.
तुमच्या शेतान उडयता.
आमच्या शेतान उडयता.
आणि कोण काडिना.
कोण काडना. एवरी टायम ते ड्रिंक करता, बॉटली काडटा, हांगासर मारता.
बॉटली पासून.
बॉटली लागून एवरी टायम. केन्ना रातचे ड्रिंक करता, सकाळी उठून पळयता थिंगा बॉटल आसता.
दिस इज नॉट रायट. आणि ते फुडले कॉम्प्लेक्स ते काडटा.
ते तरी काडटा, तेंचे तरी काय प्रॉब्लेम. तिका ते सांगता हांव तेका काडटा. हे बाबा म्हणटा आमचो हें लेबर घालता, फाल्यां काडटा म्हणटा. तेंचे तर तशें येना. पूण हे कितें करता, मुर्दम करता, आमकां त्रास करता. हे कितले सांग त्रास करता, आमकां खूब त्रास करता. आनी आतां कितें करतले ते, आमी आतां रोयता न्हू, पळयतले हांगासन आनी चड डस्ट सोडटा. आनी चड डस्ट इतले रॅप सोडटा. म्हाका ते आतां आमचे परते हे स्टॉप जाता न्हू, ऑगस्ट डिसेंबर बीन परते आमी करता.
Wait 1 second. If you can see, guys, I'm right into my chappals also broke over here. You can see. 1 second. Oops. Thank you. My leg went straight inside. Sorry. Vinod, sang.
जेन्ना क्लीन करपाक येता, वेजिटेबल घालपाक, तेन्ना नाका जाता हांगासर करपाक, लीव करपाक. हांव कितें म्हाका कोण लेबर लागून दिना, म्हाज्या हातीन पळोवपाक जाय. व्हिडिओ फेसबुकार हांवें सेंड केलेले, कितले व्हिडिओ सेंड केले हांवें.
आणि कोण ऐकना.
कोण आयकना. मेन ड्रेनेज ती व्हडली हांवें लास्ट टायम हांवें ड्रेन क्लीन केलेली, उदीक वचपाक जाय म्हणून. ते व्हडले ड्रेनेज लागून पोतयो बोत्ता, डस्ट बोत्ता, हितून घालता.
थिंगा
व्हडल्या हितून ड्रेनेजीन घालता. फूल वॉटर ब्लॉक. आमी कितें करपाचें तेंचे.
सो दिस इज द क्रीक. ते उदका फील्ड उदकान वचपाक जाय न्हू, तेका लागून तुजो पाय आतां साफ करतलो थिंगा.
ते साफ केले. मेन व्हडली आसता न्हू, मेन आसता न्हू, तितून कितें करता, इतले मोठे फातर घालता.
ओ
ब्लॉक, वॉटर ब्लॉक.
दॅट इज नॉट रायट. दॅट इज नॉट रायट.
वॉटर ब्लॉक. मागीर कितें करतले आमी, चान्स ना कोणाक. लेबर म्हणल्यार लेबर मेळना त्या टायमार.
तुजे कितें रिक्वेस्ट हा पंचायतीक आणि MLA ऑफ तालिगांव, तू सांग आता.
माझे कितें आहा, ह्या पळय इतले वर्सां हांव त्रास काडटाय शेताक. म्हाका कितें कितें पिड्यार जाल्लें आहा न्हू तें म्हाका दिवचें.
Very true. Very true.
कितें इतली वर्सां हांवें रोवंक ना पळय. आतां हे पाट कितें मातशी वे क्लीन केला म्हणून हांवें शेत मातशें क्लीन मिशीन घालून सगळें क्लीन केलां हांवें. ना रोवंक सोदता. आतां इतलीं वर्सां जालीं कमीत कमी 40-20 वर्सां जालीं कांयच एक बी मेवना म्हाका भात रोवपाक मेवना.
Because of this sewage.
बिकॉज ऑफ दीस.
Because of the sewage.
हे सुयेजेक लागून म्हाका कांय रोवपाक मेवना. घाण जाता, वास मारता.
So if you can see, guys, you can see the sewage coming out. See, I mean, every building should have an STP plant and should have their water collected on regular basis. And this, if you can see, how are the farmers supposed to grow this? I mean,
आणि शेतकऱ्यांना
there is a limit to everything. There is a limit to everything. I'm here with Vinod, and he's been trying to voice up for a very long time. I've never met him before, but because of all this farming issues and things what are happening right now, he is contacted, and another friend contacted and said, Cecil, they have this problem every year, to please come and make his voice heard. So this is to Panchayat, alright? This is message to directly to Panchayat. Agnelo Dikuna, you're the Sarpanch, and he's been complaining last so many years now, and he's been trying to grow. And one biggest problem in Talegaon is the construction that's coming up and no STP. I mean, if you can see that this is clear waste that is out in the fields. Is this how are we promoting agriculture? Is this how we are taking care of our farmers? I mean, this is the need of the hour. As much as you're saying Panchayat Ghar is important, I think so this is the most important thing, that you catch hold of all the builders who are doing this first. Huh? Catch hold of the builders first who are doing this nonsense and troubling our farmers. I mean, he works as an electrician. He doesn't have a big job, but he's trying to grow his vegetables so that his family can survive and he can sell his vegetables for some extra money. This is how we need to help our farmers. Not concrete jungle. We need to have our locals over here.
हेल्प करना, कोण हेल्प करपाक सोदना फार्मरांक जे फार्मर्स आसता न्हू तिंगा पोंदाक घालूंक सोदता सगळे जाण. सगळे कोण बिल्डर आसता न्हू फार्मरांक चेपोवन उडयता. कोण तेंचे आयकना. कोणा कडेन पयशे आसता तेंच्या फाटल्यान धांवता. फार्मर गरीब.
That's what he's saying. Even he's saying that the farmers do not have the money, but the Panchayat people as well as the MLA are running behind builders so that Talegaon will change into a concrete jungle. And this is the need of the hour, guys, because I showed you live. I walked through the whole thing. My chappal also broke over there in the bargain. Alright, because the whole sand is sinking, and this is all sewage water right now, where I am stamping into also, which is coming down into the field. But this is the need of the hour, where I said, come, I will come to that site over here, right up to the end. Imagine from there we walked up, right from there we walked over here. And this is what he's been facing every day. I mean, we always say we are proud to be farmers, we have to promote agriculture, we have to do this, we have to do that. But how many of us are really helping them? Does he know who's the secretary of the society?
I don't know.
He doesn't know who's the secretary of the society, so why is he made to suffer? This is the vegetable that we need to promote, and we need to help our farmers, guys.
Every day 4 hangs मारा मैं हांगासर येता. एक टाइम हांगात न्हिदता हांव. हे माझी खूप इल्लीशी धाकटली.
See, he's made one small kind of a hut over here. Right over
हांगा
here.
न्हिदता हांव रातचो एकदाच.
See here, right here.
थिंगा न्हिदता. कित्याक हांगासर कोण कितें करता सांगूंक जायना. एक टाइम येता 4 hangs येता 4 hangs येता शेतान बसता. कित्याक माझे वेजिटेबल आसता, भाजी आसता, कोण कितें करता सांगूंक जायना. पण आमकां शेतकारांक हेल्प करना. तुमी बायलांक दुसरे आसता तिंका हेल्प करता. शेतकारांचो वॅल्यू कितें उरला जर शेतां रोया शेतान शिवे सोडटा, घाणी सोडटा आनी हें करता, पाड घालता सगळे.
Need of the hour right now is all the Sarpanch and all the MLAs all over Goa. And this is not only in Talegaon. Talegaon is the worst, and it's an everyday fight to avoid this concrete jungle, because everything is passed without this. It happened in our society also, where I was living. It happened in our society too, where sewage water was left into the fields, and we were not aware till the society was formed. And we paid 12 lakhs and got the STP line from there to the main sewage line. 12 lakhs the members had to pay, not the builder. Builder didn't pay a single pie. And this is what everyone is facing every day. When you buy a flat in Talegaon, make sure that STP lines, everything, because when you buy a place, you're not creating inconvenience for anyone else where you're staying, guys. And especially to our farmers here. It is a fight now, it's a battle every day, and I will start voicing up whatever I can, whenever I can, to raise these issues. And Agnello, please help these farmers out right away.
आम्ही इतले वर्ष आमचे 7 generation आमचे.
Seventh?
7 generation. This is my
Wow.
7th generation.
Wow. 7th generation, guys. 7th generation. And this is what we have been doing with this concrete jungles coming up over here and destroying their livelihood. I mean, they have been here 7 generations, man. And this complex has just come in now. Who should be given more importance to? Huh? Concrete jungle or to our farmers? You want to build, you build, but take care of your STP, man. How difficult it is to put an STP line and get all this sewage into your trucks and back into the whole system.
You see, this is my grandmother. आता ती 89.
अजूनपासून शेतात येता होय, पहिलं.
89 असं अजून चलता पळय ती. कोण काढता इतली वर्सां? 89. आता म्हणटा आपणाकडे जायना, आपण जाणटी जाली म्हणटा.
And तुम्ही फुडार घेवपाक जाय आता.
आम्ही आता असा न्हू.
And तुझे भुरगी. And then your children and your family. So this is, if we want to promote farming, if we need to promote agriculture, if we need to promote our farmers out here, how are we helping them? How are the present elected representatives helping them? They are not. On top of that, they are destroying Mother Nature. They are destroying the farmers' land. And this is where we eat our vegetables, our rice. And this is how we are thanking them in return. Oh, my dirt is in your field. I don't care where my dirt goes or where my shit goes or where my urine goes. Huh? You're not bothered where all this thing goes. It goes into their soil. I mean, come on, Sarpanch, Agnello Dikuna, please wake up right now. Help your farmers. Promote agriculture. Don't take away people's land and don't destroy people's land. This is my humble request. MLA of Taligaon, Jennifer Montserrat, please come down and see what your farmers are facing. These are the same farmers who have elected you. They have voted for you. Listen to their cries. Listen to what they are suffering right now.
आम्ही हांगासर
Listen.
लाईट नसताना उदीक काडटा. सकाळी 4 येता. सकाळी 4 येता. लाईट नसताना उदीक काडटा. तीन कौशे घेऊन. अजून लाईट घेवंक नाय. नाका म्हणला म्हाका लाईट बीन. कित्याक माझे फ्युचर आहा तोच उदीक काडटलो. लाईटीन लागून अजून उदीक काडना केन्नाच. कितली वर्सां जाली म्हाका आतां शेतान काम करता. कोणाक एका लेबराक घालना हिंगासर लीव करपाक. म्हाज्या हातींनी क्लीन करता. जशें म्हाज्या फादरान शिकयलां, ग्रँडफादरान शिकयलां, तेजे फादराचे कोण असले तिनी लागून म्हाका दाखयलां कशें काम करपाक जाय तें. आतां आमी काम करता. आतां आमच्या भुरग्यांक दाखयतले आमी काम करून कशें कितें करपाक जाय तें. दिस अ नॅचरल व्हेजिटेबल.
No chemicals.
No chemical.
No chemicals, but only with the sewage line now. Okay. So, guys, I don't know whether to laugh or to cry or to do what. And we keep saying that, oh, we need to help farmers. We need to help. How are we helping them? If you see any farmers facing this kind of inconvenience, please bring it to our notice. All right. The Rossa campaign is there to come voice out the farmers' issues, and we are going to voice it out full on, because bread and butter during COVID-19 is what we need. We should not be dependent on any other state. This is what we need, guys. So please share this video so that the Sarpanch as well as MLA gets this video, and we need to protect and save our farmers. Thank you.